Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting video for you guys. This video is sponsored with a jewelry brand called Ana Luisa. I got a package from them and I'm really obsessed with their jewelry. So if you are familiar with Ana Luisa is an accessory brand based in New York and with sustainable jewelry. Package I got from Ana Luisa, I got many pieces, as you can see, with a cute pouch. So their pieces started at $39, and their packaging is really cute, and every piece of jewelry is packaged separately with a cute pouch. And as you can see here, their brand name is branded as well. Yeah, I really like the pouch. And so if you guys want to use my code, I have my discount code LAYAN10 and for 15% off. If you want to use it, check the description box down below. And yeah, so let's check all the pieces. So let's check the first one here. So here we have a cute earrings. So I will try it. So here I have a cute moon shape. It's really cute and simple. Here I have a moon shape in one side, and in other side I have a star shape. Call it Celeste crescent moon hoops. I really like it. It's really cute. Honestly, I'm a gold person. I like gold jewelries, so yeah, it's really pretty and really cute. Let's try the star shape in other side. This is the star shape in other side, and this is the moon shape. The second one we have here. So this ring is called a dual ball ring. It's really cute. I like the shape. It's with a 14K gold. Check the next one. So here we have, oh, so cute. They are also gold pieces. Let's try out this. It's really easy to wear, so I'm wearing it now. As you can see, this one is called double hoop earrings. I love how well made and really simple, so definitely I'm going to wear this earring every day. I really like how cute we made. So I'm keeping these earrings because I really love them. So for the next one, let's check the next one. Ooh, oh my god, it's really cute. Here we have a shrink necklace. necklace so pretty and like gold material. So let's try it. Okay, so oh wow. The color, it doesn't look cheap at all, and it's really so gorgeous. I really like this necklace. So this one is called Atom Bolt. I'm really now obsessed with this necklace, so definitely I will wear it every day. So yeah, I love it. And the last accessory I have from Ana Luisa is another earrings. So that's all for today. And again, if you guys want to use my discount code for 15% off, you can use LAYAN10, and I will leave the link down below for you guys to shop Ana Luisa jewelries, and you can find my pieces that I have chosen. Thank you, Ana Luisa, for sending me these adorable pieces. I'm really obsessed with everything that you have sent me. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys later in my next video. Bye!